Hello guys, this is my tutorial on programming with C++ and this is first video of it. And in this video I am execute or I will execute a simple hello world program, and I will, with the help of this program, I will tell you some basics of C++ in this program. So let's start the video and see the first line. This has include IOStream. Friend, this is a header file. We are including a header file in C++, and the header file is IOStream. In place of IOStream, we can also use string, conio, math, and many more. Standard library, standard. Man, there are so many header files in C++ to execute our program smoothly. So we are using this header file because this contains some classes, some functions, some objects, which by the help of these things we will execute our program so smoothly. So if IOStream is a header file, so why are we using this hash, include, and these angular brackets here? This hash means this is a preprocessor. Everything written after hash in C++ is considered to be a preprocessor. What is a preprocessor? A preprocessor executes before the execution of main program. This is the main program or the main code of this hello world program, and before this before this line will execute. Why? Because this is a preprocessor, and with the help of this hash, the compiler considered it as a preprocessor. So it was telling the compiler hash include, this hash telling processes previously, and include what? Include whatever is in this angular bracket, and this in this angular bracket at the present time is IOStream. This header file is inside it, so it will include, or yeah, it will execute this IOStream or open this IOStream file, and will fetch something from this what will be used in this main program. Okay, so that's why we are using this hash include IOStream in istream.h here, or this header file here. Now come to the next line. The next line is using namespace standard. Why are we using namespace standard? Actually this is a good topic and I will make a complete video on this, but at the time you just remember that because of we wanna use, or we want to use some standard files, some or we can say some classes, some objects from standard file. So that's why we are using namespace standard here. Don't worry, I will make a complete video on this, where you will get it so nicely. So now let's go to the next line, that is int main. Friends, this is the main part. Main, this main function, if there is no main function in C++ programming, it means there will you will write anything in the program, but if there is no main function, then uh, there is no use of writing anything in the C++ program, because the execution of program in C++ execute from this main function, and this is a function. How we can say this is a function? Because of these parentheses. If this parenthesis is after any keyword in C++, it means it is a function. Okay, if there is, we write add, and we write these parentheses, so the name of the function will be add. Okay, so these are functions, but main function is the function from which the execution of C++ program begins. Okay, so now after that we are making its body, and in body we write code. Whatever we want to do, we write in its body, the body of function. And to write the body of function, we use these curly brackets. So this is the start of body and this is end of body. So let's start the body with the help of this bracket and go to the next line, that is the seventh line, and this is cout hello world. What does mean, friend? This this cout and this angular brackets, this is the syntax of printing anything in the C++. Okay, so this is a syntax, note it down. And everything written inside these double quotes in C++ is considered to be a string, and uh, it will put the compiler will put it as it is on the console screen or the output screen. So this cout is telling the compiler print this hello world on the console screen. Now what is this new line? See this one, new line, this slash and n, this is new line, means it will uh, it will throw the compiler, sorry, it will throw the cursor to the next line, means after putting hello world the cursor will be on the new line. So this new line slash n and this endl both are used to go to the next line. uh, just think of, you are writing something on Microsoft Word file, you are making a Word file, and if you want to go to a next line, what will you do? You will just hit the enter button like that, like that. So to go to the next line, we use new line and endl in C++. Okay, so this is the syntax of writing endl, and this is the syntax of writing new line. We use new line inside double quotes and endl like that. This is syntax, just syntax. Okay, now at last see this semicolon. Oh sorry, yeah, this semicolon, you can see this semicolon. What is this semicolon? This semicolon telling the compiler telling the compiler that what, this is the terminating point and the end of this particular line. If you will write any statement in C++, you have to terminate it, and the termination is by this semicolon. Okay, now return 0, next line, return 0. What is this? I will make one more video on this, but at the particular time, just remember the return 0, this is returning the value 0, means it is giving a feedback to this main function. It is giving feedback to the function, and the function is getting know that everything is clear and the program is executable. Okay, now this bracket, this is the terminating point or the closing bracket of main function. Okay, now the program is complete. So let's compile and execute the program. So to execute the friend, I am using code block to compile and execute the C++ program, and with the help of code block I am using here GNU CC compiler to execute and compile the whole program. So to compile and execute the program, let's just go to this icon, build and run, this one, and just click on it. It will compile and execute. If there will, yeah, the program is the program has no errors, so the output you can see, and this is the desired output, hello world. See, okay, so let's meet in